Hello everyone, my name is Mayowa Michael and I am a passionate biology teacher dedicated to helping students succeed in their examination. Welcome to my platform, Naija Biology Tips, your trusted place for mastering biology and confidently tackling Waec questions. On this channel and on my website, naijabiologytips.site, I teach biology in a simple, clear and exam-focused way. I don't just teach theory, I guide you through Waec past questions from the year 2000 to 2023, carefully explaining how questions are set, repeated patterns, and how to answer them correctly to score high mark. In my lesson, I make specific references to where Waec examiners have set similar questions before, so you can understand exam trends and be fully prepared. If your goal is to pass Waec biology with excellence and confidence, then you are in the right place. Stay connected, stay consistent, and let's master biology together. Thank you.